so afraid just to say a hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very different video, as you can see from the title and from the intro. I really hope you guys like the intro, by the way. Today's video is brought to you by Jeulia's Premium Artisan Jewelry. So I got the opportunity to pick out a necklace from their website, and I chose a tennis necklace. It comes in this beautiful jewelry box. I really like it because my mom always buys me a lot of jewelry. That's her thing, and that's her gifts to me. If my mom were to ever buy me something, she always goes for jewelry. Yeah, so I really like their jewelry box finish. I know a lot about jewelry boxes, trust me. I like the way it feels. But anyways, we're doing an unboxing today. So the jewelry box actually came in this box. Open it up and it looks like this. This was inside. So inside you get a gift bag. So let's say this was my mom buying me this jewelry. She would put the little jewelry box in the gift bag. So inside the gift bag there's also a card, greeting card. It says Jeulia, and you just write your message on it, put it inside the card, and then put it inside the bag along with the necklace or whatever jewelry you choose to buy. A pamphlet, a jewelry pamphlet with other jewelry like rings, necklaces, of a bunch of different styles also come inside of the box. It also has their website on the front and at the back. You also get a little pamphlet that it prompts you to read before you remove the jewelry tag, just so you know the return and exchange policies. Hold on, guys. Non-refundable items, refunds, return instruction, and exchange instructions. It also comes with contact information and their website on the back. So the jewelry actually came in this little bag that came inside the box. And then you also have another little thank you purchase and some extra discount codes. I'm gonna open the window up a little bit more because it's getting a little hot. I live in a tropical area. Okay, so inside the box is the necklace. So I chose this tennis necklace because I've been seeing it all over Instagram, all over YouTube. Every time I go on Tumblr, I really wanted a tennis necklace. So I'm extremely grateful that I was reached out to by the company to be able to pick one. So it has an easy clip process. I'm gonna show you right now. You don't have to worry about bothering any one of your family members for clipping it onto your neck, as you can see. I'm also going to insert some other videos and pictures, so don't be alarmed when it goes to another screen. But this is what it looks like, and it's really easy to come off. You just pinch down and remove. So it clips right in, and then that's it. And you pinch down on the clasp and remove. Like I said, I'm really grateful for this. It's sterling silver. It's really beautiful, and it is a little bit pricey, but I want to remind you guys that it is, you know, of a really good quality. But if you guys don't want to spend this much on a necklace, they have a range of prices. A range. So don't feel like you have to buy something that's expensive. Go over to their website, click the link down in the description box, and check out the different options that they have. So like I said, there's a range of prices, because I don't want you guys to ever feel like, you know, this is out of your reach. It's really not. Even for me, I would love to buy things that are more affordable as well. I also want to let you know, for all my male viewers, that there are men jewelry on the website. There are children jewelries, and then there are jewelries of all different kinds. They have necklaces, earrings, bracelets, anklets, toe rings, regular rings, if I haven't said that already. They have hanging earrings, they have studs. There's just a bunch of choices that you guys can check out. Also, they have jewelries for kids, because I saw in the pamphlet, even if you're grown up and you like it, there's Groot from one of the Marvel movies. I don't want to say the wrong movie, but Groot. You know, when he's like, I am Groot? Yeah, they have that ring. So there's a bunch of different choices, guys. I don't want you to ever feel like anything is out of your reach. You can even get customizable rings with images of your family members and lockets. When I was younger, for my small YouTubers, I never thought I would reach here. I would always watch collaboration videos, and I'd be truly grateful because the people that I watch, I trust. I would never lie to you guys, never in a million years lie to you guys for a company. Trust me on that. So I want you to know that keep doing what you're doing, and you will be here too. It's not impossible. And I just want to say a big thank you to Mary from Jeulia Jewelry for sending me this beautiful necklace. So I don't want to pester you guys anymore. Just go down in the description box, check out the links, and check out the different necklaces, rings, all types of jewelry that they have available. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day, and stay tuned for my other videos. Bye.